It's Friday. It's Barkspeed time. Welcome back, everybody. Rum VT Errol. Boom!
Put it.
Welcome back, everybody. It is finally that time. Last coat on the roof. So, firstly, what I'm going to do is prep right the way round, rub down, and then get this baby painted in the Old English white. And it has been a long time coming. I am on the final stage now. My bottom pulley's turned up for my engine, so that means I can go and see Dave. And also, I'm going to start painting this baby in the right colour and getting it all done, put back together. I am getting so excited, guys, I tell you. But I'll put you on a bit of time lapse and you can have a look and see how I get on. Check this out. Oh my God, what was that? Anyway, back to this. Covers on at the front, all the way round, masking tape, round there like that. Just got to put something over the back wheels just to make sure that the back wheels are okay. Then we can start attacking this, just giving it a light key, ready to be painted. Oh yeah. Right, so now we've got P500 grit paper for rubbing down. And safety first, mask. Like this. So all we're doing here is we're knocking the shine off of the ring. So, right, I don't know if you can see that, but you can see there, that's dull and that's shiny. Dull, shiny. So we're just knocking the shine off so that the paint has got something to adhere to. And then what I'll do is I'll go over with the tack cloth, which is the next thing on the agenda. But for now, I'm just going to crack on and do the rest. Okay, there we go. So just knock the shine off of it all the way around. And I'm going to now tack it off with the tack cloth. I might hoover, actually. And then just go over the lid. There's a little bit I missed there, I see. I just want to get the dullness so that it's got something to the paint to adhere to. And then we're going to go probably, I reckon, 2 coats. But I'm just prepping today, ready for the final. I'm not going to do the final, not just yet. So, yeah, I'm just going to do a little bit more. But I thought I could just stop and give you the once over here. So. Right, I've not used these before. They come in packs of 10 and they're just like a tacky cloth. The guys told me to undo it and then just rub it over gently. We'll see what happens. 1 second. It's working. It just feels a bit tacky. Hence the name. Hence its name. Tack cloth. It does the job. It's doing the job anyway. Yeah. There we go.
A few moments later.
Right. Spot of paint, I think. What do you reckon? First of all, got to get rid of the dust. Yeah. So, bit of pre-paint on a cloth. I tried one of those tacky cloths. They're not all that actually, but yeah. Watch me. Watch this space. Okay, so we're giving it 1.5 coats there. I've gone round the outside and then gone in, but I think I'm going to give it one more, but I'm going to rub it down slightly because there's a couple of bits. There's a little splat mark somewhere about here, and there's another one over the other side. So yeah, it's coming on. It's coming on. So if you like what you see, please follow me, tell your friends, barkspeed.co.uk. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.